Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to add paths in Planet Zoo. If you've been searching through the Build menu trying to find where to place paths, you won't find them there. Instead, click the Paths button located in the bottom right corner of your screen, just above the date and time display. This opens the dedicated Path Building menu. From there, you can choose between different path types, including guest paths, staff paths, and queues. Simply select the one you need and start placing paths to connect the different areas and facilities of your zoo. If you want to build paths at precise angles, enable the Angle Snap option to make placement much easier. You can also adjust other settings, such as the path length, width, camera alignment, and whether the path should snap to a grid. Experiment with these settings to create cleaner, more organized pathways and design a zoo that's both functional and visually appealing. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.